Hi everybody, how are you all today? Are you good? Okay. If you want, we can start the lesson, right? Do you remember this chapter 1? Characteristics of living things. And the 6 characteristics of living things. Do you remember that? The first one, all living things have cells. All living things sense and respond to change. Living things reproduce. Living things have DNA. Living things use energy. And living things grow and develop. Before this lesson, we have explained the first one and the second one. Today, we are going to talk about homeostasis. It's related about the second one, the living things sense and respond to change. How these living organisms are feeling and they're answering to the change. You know that? Maybe you're wondering, right? Okay, let's start to learn homeostasis. Homeostasis. What was the meaning of homeostasis? Even organisms outside the environment change, conditions inside an organism's body must be stable. And this is done by a process called homeostasis. Okay, I will give you some examples of homeostasis. Maybe you can understand easily and quickly what was the meaning of homeostasis. We said all living organisms, especially our body, is a living thing. Why? Because our bodies are made up of many cells, and all cells are alive. Why? When the temperature increases, what's happening in our body? What's happening? The body temperature also increases? Yes, and then we are sweating, like this figure. When we go to the hot place or hot room, you're sweating. But in the opposite case, when you go to the cold place, we're shivering, right? Your muscles, body muscles, warm up, and then we are shivering. But in which place? In a cold place. But in a hot place, we are sweating. Why we are sweating and why we are shivering? Because of our homeostasis? Yes, actually, there is an interesting information about our body temperature. Exactly, our body temperature doesn't change, right? Doesn't change very much throughout the day. During the day, your body temperature is stable. But when you exercise, you sweat. Sweating helps keep your body temperature stable. During this time, as your sweat evaporates, your skin cools, right? Given this information, what do you think, or why do you think you feel cooler faster when you stand in front of the fan? This is the physical connection. Normally, in the normal case, in the normal condition, our body temperature doesn't change. But when you do exercise, or when you do, for example, your homework, and when you do your daily activities, maybe under the sun, we can sweat, right? We can shiver in a cold place. Sweating or shivering help keep your body temperature stable. Your body temperature approximately equals 17 degrees Celsius, isn't it? Your body maintains a temperature about 37 degrees Celsius. When you get cold, your body responds by sweating. When you get cold, your muscles twitch in an attempt to warm you up. This is called shivering, right? Whether you are sweating or shivering, what's happening? Your body is trying to return itself to normal. This process is called homeostasis. So, what is the meaning of homeostasis? To maintain or to keep of the normal body temperature, we need these abilities. It's a kind of ability of its organism. This ability that it keeps our internal conditions. So it's called in the biology lesson homeostasis. These are a new scientific term in this lesson. See you, ladies. Don't forget to learn and study, and please again repeat it. Our examples of homeostasis: sweating and shivering. Okay? See you next time.